Test, test, test. Perfect, perfect. Hold on. Yo, can you guys hear me? I wasn't. Should be good. Yo, yo, what's good? What's good? What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? Um, hold on, I can't. Okay. It's currently 9:04. We're gonna go ahead and start at about 9:10. So you guys stay tuned and um, in the comment, drop down what pair have you been trading this week? Any loss, any profits, anything that you have going on right now? Just like let me know, guys. Let me get set up real quick. What's good? What's up, John? Candace, how are you doing? I got my got the news right here, so I'm just gonna wait in about 5 more minutes to let everybody get in here. I'm gonna go grab a drink real quick. What's good? What's good? What's up, everybody? Again, guys, it's only 9:07. Wait about 3 more minutes. Stay tuned. Tonight I have something that really something that you guys might be interested in about GBP JPY or just GBP period. So um I got some news to tell you guys. If you are don't know, then you're about to hear about it. but But I invite more people in here. What's good? Yeah, I'll definitely go over Euro AUD, and I'm actually gonna go over GBP JPY. What is the next big event that we're gonna be talking about, or what's really coming up? That what we can expect how the market to react to it. So definitely stay tuned. let me send out this link real quick, guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and start. What's good? What's good for the new people that just come in? I hope you're having a great day, productive day. Today has been been wonderful to me. I woke up. I made some breakfast. I meditate. I read books. I look up my chart. I study. Then I hit the gym. Then connected with my business partner is actually at the house right now. And today has been a productive day, beautiful day. So. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day as well. You're heading me up right now. Okay, it's all good. All right, guys. Actually, let me pull up JPY real quick. That's actually my my top list for today. I hold on. Let me look at my messages real quick. Let's see what 4 hour. Okay, cool. All right. So as you can see right here, I'm just gonna identify this real quick. This was Brexit that happened right here. Brexit right here. Okay. So what can we expect this to happen? Let me actually I have my JPY markup somewhere. Hold on. Okay, yeah, this one right here. I don't need that one. Yo, tonight's gonna be good. This is excuse me. So, as you know, I don't know how many of you guys look at GBP JPY. As you already know that the, the one of the biggest event in summer was Brexit. Okay, so we're looking right here. Let's identify. This is Brexit right here. This is what happened. Okay, so obviously GBP JPY has been in a downtrend for a very very long time. And this right here, you can here. Let me delete this little blue and red thing real quick. Hold on. Not really sure why it's in there. Not why it's in here. There we go. Perfect. This is all we need right here. This is all we need to make money off of just right here. Plain and simple. Probably you don't need this. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna turn this off. Yeah, I'm just gonna turn everything off, and then we're just gonna drop our technical analysis real quick. So, excuse me. So as you guys know, my biggest thing is or like one of the a strategy that I use is for me is really has been it's been profitable, as I can say, by using quarter theory. And for the new person that's in this live stream right now, I'm just gonna break it down real quick and how can you draw this up on your chart, and you can use this when with any pair that you trade. as long as you do this, then I'm gonna break it down and show you guys how to do it real quick. And my core theory, you can make you know how to cash 250 pips, 500 pips, or 1,000 pips, whatever you like to do. And this is more kind of like a swing trade, but you can also use this as support and resistance also whenever the price come up to your quarter. So I'm gonna draw it up for you guys real quick, and then we're gonna break it down. What is the biggest? What's the next big event that can we expect? In the future. So let me get some water quick. All right, guys. So one of the first things that I like to do is calculate from the go to my my monthly chart and just calculate from the highest to the lowest price. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it from right here. Okay, so mark that up right here. Mark it down right there. Actually, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. Delete this. Alright, so now this is what we just created is our support and resistance, okay? So now I'm just go ahead and calculate, okay, how many pips. So we're looking at 13,000 pips, okay? So now we can definitely break down. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go from just right here, because since we're here, what we're doing is we're going from major quarter to major quarter. So in between that is 1,000 pips, okay? And if you want to use this method, you can. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So 1,000 pips. Actually, I'm just gonna go up to here, see what's up here. So right there, that is 8,000 pips. So now we're just gonna break it down. This is 4,000 pips. Uh-oh. And that's 4. So now we're gonna break it into 2,000 pips right there. Perfect, perfect. So now what we can do, we can just go ahead and go to. Actually, I want to. Perfect. Actually, no. I'm gonna go ahead and drop my zone. And this is where price just hold on. This is only where price reject. I'm talking about the major the reversal major. So um go ahead and go right here. Just from the body to the wick. So I'm gonna do negative 1,000 and then 1,000 this one. So we're just gonna go ahead and extend it real quick. All right. Let's see. Don't worry. Be happy. I think that should be good. Yeah, so we're good right here. So now I can work my way to on a daily. Actually, no, I'm gonna go weekly just because we want to look at bigger picture when we're doing this. So as you can see right here, um Actually, I'm sorry. Go back to my monthly, okay? So whenever I draw this right here, okay, whenever I draw this up, I was not trying to, I was not, trying to, align this together. This was not my purpose, okay? My purpose was getting this and this right here, just from this body to this wick, okay? So, so now that right there. So now with this, we're in a zone where it's all the from the bottom here, and then we're looking at, I guess, the first low in this in for GPJPY. Now we're looking, okay, cool. So this, we're definitely in the zone, and it's been respecting. Whenever price come down here, it respects, or it breaks through, or come back up. Now, whenever I tried to again, I was not trying, my every thousand. I was my purpose was not to align anything, with the wick, anything. But as you can see, it aligned with this, right? All this right here. Look at this, you know, all of this. And again, this is every thousand. Okay, I'm about to teach you guys how to catch another 1,000 pips, or like a way to catch 1,000 pips, 500 pips, 250 pips, or and again, the next big event that's coming up. Okay, guys. This is something that I actually saw today, and I haven't really done a lot of research on it, but I'm just gonna let you guys know, what I excuse me, what I've been seeing lately, and ever since the elections, and everything's going crazy in the market, and everything's going crazy in the world. That came across my table, and I saw that. I was like, okay, you know what? A lot of people might appreciate this. So, this is something that I guess I saw today. So I'm definitely gonna be doing a lot more research on it tonight. And then I'm gonna, actually, today is Wednesday, so I'm gonna let you guys know by tomorrow of actually what is going on, in the Europe side, because it's yeah, it's been going crazy back there, in summer. Now it's, in America now, the third Brexit, or the second Brexit is coming up soon. So and this is what I actually want to, you know, I want to talk about this with you guys. So, um, make this okay. So now I'm gonna go into 4 hour. So now we're looking at this, and you already know that. Okay, since we're in it, we have our main support and resistance right here. Okay, we have this right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break it down to quarters. What I mean by that is, we have our major quarter, which is 1,000 in between. This is what we have right here, 1,000 pips right here to 1,000 pips. Okay, so actually no, I think this may be two B2. Okay, this is 1,000 pips right here. Hold on. Yeah, that's 1,000 pips right there. So now I'm gonna break it down to, oh, and again, looking at my major quarters, major half, and this is actually what I draw. Okay, I'm gonna change the color, make it green, and as you guys can see, this Brexit right here. respected perfectly, came down, and again, if you would took right there, what a sell, you'd have been 600 pips. Yep, 678 pips right there if you were to hold the whole thing. Just by looking at major quarter, major half, and now we're gonna go into our large quarter. Okay. So actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and label that for you guys. So just for the new people that just come in, they will see it better. So this is gonna be my major half. I don't want that caps. Major half. Cool. Then this is gonna be my major Q, which is quartered. Okay. So now we have this to work with. Okay. So as you guys can see, GPJPY shot up, obviously. Oh, I mean, this was the election, and now this was the aftershock. Right here was it went up approximately closest to 500 pips, but it was 473 pips right there. So, I would say this is pretty accurate whenever it comes to having just a clean chart. You don't really need a lot of indicators. Now I've been using a little bit of EMA, Bollinger Band, and RSI, and that's pretty much it. And then I'll fly in zigzag and just a little bit of tweaks, just to enhance it a little bit. But for the new people that is in here or just new to forex market in general, what I would recommend doing is not just dumping every indicators out there that or your mentor or your someone that introduced to forex. That's what I would not recommend you doing, is loading just a bunch of indicators in there, confuse you, and actually that's gonna actually take your skill set away, because again, whenever it comes down to indicators, it's like you go to another country, and you're relying on a translator for you to go anywhere, to go eat, to go anywhere, hotels, traveling, whatever. Or would you study the language instead, know how it works, that way you're in the independence, what I mean? So again, like I don't like to use a lot of indicators, because I just like my chart to be clean and just simple. Okay. And now we're looking at the next Brexit. What is this right here? What is this? This is zone. Okay, guys, if you go to daily, check this out. This right here, right there. What is that? This has a potential to just wake up real quick and then just start tanking right there. Um, but again, you're looking at 4 hour. Um, and look, so this right here, I mean, you can see like it's already start going down. Like that's the craziest thing about it. It's like once it comes down to right here, when they're projecting it to go even lower. And I want to show you guys real quick. You see this right here, this pattern that it's making right here. This is, yes, has been down as a downtrend, but I'm gonna break it down real quick of how can you identify how many drops it's gonna take, or how many drop is it? Like if you look right here, could it drop down one more, or this is it? This is the reversal that everybody's looking at. Okay, so I'm gonna break it down for you guys real quick. So you can see right here. Yes, this is not the perfect M, or the perfect um the perfect pattern. Okay, but as you look, okay, this actually no, I'm just gonna go from here. I'm gonna break it down from right here, and then I'm gonna go up to there. So we're looking at this, and this is like I said, it's gonna be either it's gonna be I'm just gonna call this my base, okay? Because as you can see, yes, this goes up, but again, this right here where it's consolidated, where it does the price doesn't really want to know yet where it wants to go. So you see, yes, it makes a triple top. Yes, it makes a triple top, but then it went up. Why is that? Okay, why is that? So and this is really, yes, the M's and W's, and the pattern. You see it, and you can be like, okay, if it makes an M, it's gonna go up. If it makes a W, it's gonna go down. But why? Sometimes it doesn't do that. You know what I mean? So right there, you gotta shift your mindset, or you gotta think, okay, so if this right here, if this pattern is here for me to look at, okay, and you go through, baby pips, and all the how to trade like a retail trader, and that's just it. You look at patterns that you fall for. It's there for a reason. It's there to fake you out. But if you know how to count your levels, how to see, okay, you know what, I'm able to see this is gonna drop more. I'm not gonna be quick to judge where, okay, you know what, I can see this going up now. No, okay, that's what you gotta understand is, counting levels. There's 3 to 4 levels when it comes to trading. So it's like I think right here is this right here is probably the third levels. So let's count that one out real quick. Um, so this consolidate breaks out. Okay, so right here would be our first. This can be our first level. Okay, this is gonna be our second level, and this is gonna be our third level. And this is this whole thing right here. And so this right here is where it's consolidating. Or let me draw my fourth level quick. Fourth slash. So now we have consolidation form right here. This right here. So this can be a fourth and base. So this can be 1. This can be 2. This can be a third one right here. So now we have a fourth down here. Because this whole thing right here. So now this is the consolidation form where it reset itself, and now it can definitely go down a little bit further. So again, I really, my bias on this is that this is going to be a long-term downtrend, or just, one more move, or one more level of fall. Okay, one move of fall, and then I feel like that right there would be, once it hit right here, it's gonna go up from there. So, and as you can see, every quarter, okay, every quarter you see right here. Look at where price, touches. Okay, you look right here. Okay, went up, respect, took off, went up, respect, took off. All this right here. Drop down, went up, drop again. Drop, retest, drop. It goes all the way up here. Like, and if you even break it down to what on a weekly, you can see it even clear. Look at that. Okay. And and look at this. Look at this real quick. Drop down, consolidate up, drop, consolidate up, drop, and then you see go down. You know what I mean? All this right here, it's a pattern that you can see. Okay, consolidate up, drop down, consolidate up, drop down. And then for the uptrend, shoot goes up, consolidate down, go up again. And you can see it's a pattern. You gotta understand. You gotta be able to see these patterns. And again, guys, you know if you study like 10 hours, like I mean, like I told you guys, I study for 10 hours, and I'm able to look at any. Well, I wouldn't say any chart, but definitely GP JPY. I'm able to see where my quarter theory, where it reject off of every 1,000 pips, or that's where the banks trade every 1,000 pips. You know, if you think about it, they're big players. They have a lot of whenever the market the banks trade off of this, they're able to make a lot of money, because they're not using 1.00, or as just a standard. No, like they're probably doing like something much higher than that with a lot more money. So they're able to influence the market. And look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful. Okay. Look at this. This is good. Like, I mean, obviously not this right here, but you can see price loves to come to, the quarter, to the every quarter, every quarter, every quarter. What's up, John? How you doing, brother? Have you had a great day, bro? So, but yeah, so that's my advice on that right now. And then obviously, either this could be already in the move, or it could push up again and then goes down. But again, guys, this right here, just watch out for this. Okay, this right here could be the next big drop, and then takes off from there to be an uptrend. So, please, please, please be aware of that when you go into the forex market. So, bro, I'm doing fantastic. Had a great day. Was really productive day. So every quarter, yes, every quarter. Everything I think. Just yeah, it's this way a major quarter. Okay, and we're looking at every 1,000 pips here. Every quarter, you look. Okay, if you just put a new one that just came in, you can see. Okay, every 1,000 pip, every 1,000 pips, and this is how if you like if you knew, this is how you can catch over 1,000 pips, 250 pips, 500 pips, whatever you want to do. Like, you just trade off of the quarter, the major quarter, or the major half, or the even with large quarter, you're able to catch at least a couple hundred pips doing that. So as you can see, whenever I was drawing this up, I did not try to line up. I mean, yes, I did with this and then the bottom here, but not this and this and this and this. Any single. If I draw this up, every 1,000 pips, excuse me, you can see price loves to comes to major quarter. Okay, like it's and again, for the new one that just came in, and this is how the banks really like trade. Is every thousand, and this is not. I'm not saying that's a for sure thing, but that's my theory on it, because I've seen where it respect it, and it just makes sense of why it would do that. You know, so and that's another pattern that I'm able to see in the market. So um, see. I'm gonna go ahead and go look at Euro odd, but let's see. See, and this, I was looking at this, guys. Look, every quarter. Look at it right here, every quarter. Look, look, every 1,000 pips. I'm telling you. Look at this. The major quarter is a quarter between. No, hold on. Major quarter is the quarters between. Well, between the 100 and a half. Well, I mean, I just draw my every 1,000 pips, and then major half and large quarter are in between the major quarters. You see right here. We have our major quarter, major half right here. So I can do the same right here. Major half, major quarter, every 250, 250 pips, 250 pips. Quarter. You don't have to. You don't have to. You know. You don't have to. You know, put down large quarter, major half, anything. You can just straight up do every 50 pips. 250, 250, 250 if you like. For me, I just like it's better because it's a lot easier to see. So. Let's see. But yeah, guys, I mean that's pretty much, yeah, 500 and 250. Yes, yes, sir. Look right here. So major quarter to large quarter is 250, or I had it to be down here, but I got moved. Let's see. I think that was it. Nope, that's still 260. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it right there, and then from here to there should be 250. That's good enough. So, and then obviously the same things down here. So, but yeah, I mean that's really all you gotta do. I mean, and if you're able to set this up, draw your support and resistance, draw your zone, draw your trend lines. That's all you really need to do, and then just keep up with the world, see what's happening. You don't need fancy indicators because one, you're able to let the market come to you. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Like, actually, let me show you. Let's see I think it's the AUD/USD. Let's see. Nope. Yeah, it was AUD/USD. AUD/USD. So check this out. This is my. This is the one that I've been like really keeping up with. So sorry, it looked kind of messy, but it's just, I mean, you know your chart. You know what I mean? So, um, so yeah, guys. Whenever we're looking at this, we're having a really big drop. Is what you can do is you can come in, and this is, like this is some free nuggets right here. Like, check this out. Go from here down here. Check this out. Went up, drop, huge drop, came back down. I mean, came up, hit the 61.8, came down again. Now it's, I'm looking at where it might even come up again. If this comes up to here, I'm selling it again to make this right here, like, going back to looking patterns, this might be the possibility where it might drop again. As we can see now, it's rising and it's creating this W pattern. So to finish the pattern, it has to come up here. If it comes up there, you already know the play that excuse me, that you can already sell it down, and then once it goes down, okay, once it goes down, it's gonna come up again. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna draw this up right now. So, looking at this drop to about here, come up. Hold on. I'm gonna make this. What's the color on this thing? So I'm really picky about colors. Hope y'all don't mind. Looking around. Actually, let me see if there's zones. That's what we want to look for. There's definitely a zone right here. I'm liking this right here. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and extend this real quick. I want to see where it's gonna land. Okay. It's been respecting this. And this respected zone also. How it goes up, came back down, took off. I like that. So looking at where where it even comes to not necessarily that all the way down, but around this area. Actually, no, I'm gonna draw this zone here because I'm seeing a good zone right here. Right here. Then I'm gonna make this green, make it a little darker, more visible. I'm gonna do purple. First time doing purple in this thing, so. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do 1,000. And I want to back test this real quick to see what's really going on with this pair. You see this zone. Perfect. Wow. Perfect. Cool. So now we have that. Now I can delete this. Draw a new one. And again, you guys keep up with this real quick. If you watch this pair, just check this out. I think my opinion on this is that this could go up here, comes down, retest, and then drop right here. Now we're looking at this, okay, and we're seeing, okay, where is Brexit at? Actually, let me look at that. Obviously, I can't see because it's too much stuff. Okay, so this right here was Brexit, I want to say. Yeah, so this is Brexit. Oh, cool. So this is where the top of Brexit at. Strong zone. So, okay. I'm liking this. Cool. So this, I'm just gonna keep labeling this right here as a Brexit. So, um, then I'm just gonna go ahead and draw another zone right here, guys. Just because I want to see where if if what is a possibility where um it might even drop even lower, and and this is what we've been talking about, where the next biggest thing that this could happen, where it just drops all the way down here. If this doesn't respect it, then it's gonna drop down even down to right here, and I'm not really sure where this trend line is coming from. Actually, let me. Oh, okay. So this has been an uptrend this whole time, and you see, obviously, you can't see right here. But 1, 2, and then it might even the third. or the second Brexit might even go down to all the way down here. Okay, we don't know what's going to happen. I mean, this right here could could happen whenever the next president is in the office, Donald Trump. This might happen in January whenever he stepped into office. Now, going to before even he stepped into office, there's a 45 minutes time or period where there's nobody in the office, and then the dollar is gonna drop 1,200, 1,200 pips. Oh, I don't know um I don't know what they like they really call it in pips in the dollar currency, but it's gonna drop a lot, at least in the thousands. So that's what we backtracked it a while ago, and that's what we were able to see where it just dropped for just 45 minutes. So again, we might even see where okay, this is pushing up, and again, going back to see how consolidating up, drop all the way down. Sorry, I'm having a bad hiccup here. But this right here could be the the next biggest event. So you guys have be this right here drop, and then it's probably gonna consolidate up and then drop. It's we don't know. But again, that's my bias on it. Consolidated here, or went back up. Excuse me, guys. Went back up, retest at 38.2, and then goes all the way down. So if we want to, let's see, we draw my fib from here to here. Let's see, so 61.8 right here. Wow, if I would have dropped my fib from Brexit to this week right here, we would probably make a lot of money. And to be honest, wow, I wish I know about this like a long time ago. But so now you guys know if there's a big drop, draw your fib from wick to wick, collect your profit. So your retracement, that's really all you need to do. Fibonacci's price action, that's really all you need, and then just keep your chart naked. Obviously this is not naked, but obviously not filled with a bunch of indicators also. This is my work so far. What I've been kept up with since I want to say hold on, I think when I did it in really started keeping up September. So this that's what we really have to do. You might draw you might draw your trend line, your support, your price action right here. This might not be, it might not, work within the day or that day or the next day, but it could be, it could work, a month from now, 2 weeks from now, whatever it is. And obviously you guys can see this does work. Draw your zones, everything. Look at this. You guys able to see where everything reject off of, because one, I document my work on here. You guys can see. I don't even have to draw my zone anymore, because I can just come in and just look. Okay, cool. Where I have this and this right here, and then this reject off of it. Cool. I did that like last week. I don't need to do it anymore. I don't need to draw my chart anymore. I just come in and just draw your Fibonacci. I'm good, because I already have all my major quarter, all my my major price action. Now I just just do simple analysis from there. That's pretty much it. So do you guys have any questions for me? See, I know I've been talking for a while. But you guys have any questions? Please let me know. That way I can help you guys, or just prepare for the upcoming week. So I guess no questions. All right, guys. Well, you guys have a great night. I'll definitely see you guys tomorrow night. And again, I'm gonna have more information on the next Brexit that's about to happen. So, guys, have a great night and see you guys later.